We've all been there before. The sun hits that one corner of the living room and we realize, wow, it's dusty. Welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. Today, we're going to be talking about spring cleaning. What actually is spring cleaning? Historically, it was about airing out your home after a winter of coal fires and shut windows. Today, it's that annual reset button that tackles deep grime that weekly dusting misses. Most people dread it because they're using the wrong tools, but today I'm going to be showing you how to finish cleaner and faster using the MVP of cleaning, microfiber. If you're still using old t-shirts or paper towels, you're just moving dirt around. Microfiber is different. Its fibers are split 1 by 1/100th the width of a human hair. They act like tiny hooks that grab and lock in dirt, grease, and even 99% of bacteria. Let's start by prepping our spring cleaning microfiber kit. First up, general purpose towels, your workhorse for counters and walls. I like to use our commercial cleaning towels that come in 4 colors, making it perfect for color coding. Number 2, glass or polishing towels. They're flat woven and smooth, leaving mirrors streak free. The Glass Weave glass cleaning towels and microfiber suede towels are the real heroes here. Number 3, microfiber dusters. They're extra fluffy and high pile for heavy dusting. Our Electrostatic Duster and Chenille Flex Duster are my favorite picks here. Number 4, microfiber mops. They're way more effective than those old string mops that just soak the floor, and you can actually DIY them. We have different mop pads that go with the plates and connect to the telescopic pole. We actually have a whole video dedicated to our DIY mop system where you can customize everything. The link will be in the description below. Microfiber does all the heavy lifting with just water, but for a true spring deep clean, you're gonna need a few teammates. Keep it simple and don't get overwhelmed. Number 1, all-purpose cleaner. Look for something pH neutral. Spray the towel and not the surface to save product and prevent streaks. Number 2, distilled white vinegar. The best companion for microfiber when cleaning windows or descaling faucets. And number 3, dish soap. A tiny drop in warm water is actually the safest way to clean most modern floors and baseboards. Alright, now it's time for our 3-step spring cleaning method. Starting off with number 1, high dusting. Start from the top of the room and work your way down. Grab one of our high pile microfiber dusters with telescopic pull to hit ceiling fans, crown moldings, and the tops of tall cabinets or bookshelves. By starting at the ceiling, you're intentionally letting gravity do the work. Any dust or cobwebs you displace will fall to those lower surfaces that haven't been cleaned yet. This prevents you from having to re-clean your furniture or floors later in the process. Step number 2, the surfaces. Once the overhead dust has settled, move to the mid-level vertical and horizontal surfaces. Use a damp general purpose microfiber towel like our commercial cleaning towels paired with your favorite all-purpose cleaner to wipe down walls, door frames, windowsills, cabinets, counter spaces, etc. This is also the time to sanitize high-touch areas like light switches and doorknobs. Because you are using a damp microfiber towel, the split fibers will grab and lock in the fine dust particles that fell during step 1, leaving the main body of the room truly grime-free. Also, make sure you tackle the floors with the microfiber mop system to clean off fallen debris, collected dust, and any other contaminants. Step number 3, the shine. Finish the room by focusing on reflective surfaces that catch light. Grab a flat weave polishing towel, like the Glass Weave or Suede Weave towel, which is specifically designed to be lint-free, and head to the windows, mirrors, and glass cabinet faces. Saving this for the final step ensures that no stray dust from the previous phases ruin your work. Using an S-motion to wipe these surfaces will eliminate streaks and smudges, allowing that bright spring sunlight to fill the room without highlighting a single speck of dust. Spring cleaning is not about perfection. It's about refreshing your space so that you can actually enjoy the season. Invest in a good set of microfiber towels, dusters, and mop systems, and they'll last you for years, cutting down your cleaning time in half. A pro tip is never use fabric softener or bleach when washing your microfiber towels. It clogs those tiny hooks and ruins the magic. And that's the end of this video. If you're interested in our amazing microfiber products, be sure to check out the description below. It's gonna have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell, and be sure to leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. Now go open up a window and get started with your spring cleaning. I'll see you in the next one.